So today we are working on a water heater that keeps on turning off, and I didn't know this stuff would happen, but on the bottom of these water heaters they actually have a vent on the bottom that needs to be cleaned out every so often. That the vent actually gets clogged up, so we need to get a vacuum. We can't blow it out like with any air or anything, but let's see if we can get to the bottom, way bottom, because none of this is, I mean, everything's working fine. It's just it's gonna be air that eventually just gets lint, a lot of lint in there. See, even with this trap right here. And what we're gonna have to do is, I think I have to take all this off here, but that's kind of, see, this doesn't look bad here at all, but there's actually another vent. Let's see if I can, it's gonna be underneath this thing is gonna be, there's like another vent the bottom. Let's see if I can adjust my camera. Well, it's kind of hard to put my camera underneath this here, but the plate underneath the water heater is round. It's like a round vent, and what happens is lint just eventually builds up underneath it, so we need to just vacuum it out. And we actually have to build a special kind of hose, and then I'll show you how we're gonna see if we can take that off. So this is the rigging I did to my vacuum. See, it looks real funky, but it works. And then you got to cut like a little angle, so you can see how I cut it. The reason for that is because I gotta stick it right here, and that's about where the vent is at, where I need to vacuum on both sides. So and once I start the vacuum, I'll just kind of, I won't be able to talk because it's so loud, but I can show you what the procedure is. So here we go. You want to go forward and backwards and then sideways, just to make sure you get all that lint. Okay, so once we did all the vacuuming and stuff, I went ahead and I put this vent back on, right there on the bottom. I put it to pilot, and did the igniter thing also, and then we turned it on, and now you can see, let's see, you can't really see it in there, but there's a blue flame. And now the gas is on again. So that's what it was. We just had buildup underneath the water heater of just lint. So now you have a little trick as far as your little hose vacuum, and to go underneath it and vacuum all that up, and you don't have to call the serviceman. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.